Hello and welcome to my blog. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Pandan flavored Pandesal, or as I like to call it, Pandanesal. We'll need all-purpose flour, bread flour, sugar, vegan butter or margarine, active dry yeast, salt, aquafaba, pandan extract, coconut milk and soy milk. First, we combine the coconut milk, soy milk, and pandan extract. Transfer the mixture into the bowl of a standing mixer along with 4 teaspoons of sugar and the yeast. Let the mixture stand until it's foamy. Here we combine the all-purpose flour, bread flour, and salt while waiting for the mixture to become foamy. Add the remaining sugar, aquafaba, and vegan butter to the wet mixture. Using the dough hook attachment, run your standing mixer on low speed and add the flour mixture in 3 additions and mix until just combined and the dough pulls away from the sides. If you don't have a standing mixer, simply combine and knead the dough until it is elastic. If you're in a very dry environment, make sure to add more water or pandan extract as needed. I ended up adding 4 tablespoons to my dough. Transfer the dough into an oiled bowl and loosely cover it with plastic wrap. Let it rise for 2 hours or until it doubles in size. Remove the plastic wrap and degas the dough, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. I like to flour my rolling pin as well as my hands, but don't use too much. We still want a slightly sticky dough. Divide the dough into 48 pieces. I prefer working with 1/2 at a time and cutting each half into quarters and each quarter into 6 pieces, which yields 24 pieces per half. Shape each piece into a roll. I'll demonstrate how to do that on 6 pieces. Either roll it out into a rectangle using your rolling pin and then fold the corners into the center, or roll it between your hands and the work surface until it's smooth. Like this. It's important that your dough isn't too dry, otherwise the seams on the bread will show. Only add as much flour as needed to keep the dough from sticking to your hands. If you'd like, you can roll them in breadcrumbs once they're shaped, but I prefer mine without. Loosely cover with plastic wrap for the final proof. Let it rest for 30 to 40 minutes or until doubled in size. While waiting, preheat your oven to 180 C or 350 F. Once proofed, remove the plastic wrap and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Make sure to rotate your pans 180 degrees halfway through, and if you're using one oven for all 48 pieces at one time, switch the top and the bottom pans for even cooking. Here's what they should look like when they're done. Golden brown on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside, with a beautiful pandan aroma. Let them cool down a bit before serving with a hot drink like coffee or hot chocolate.